Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Coffee is a beverage that has numerous health benefits. The main ingredient in coffee is caffeine, which helps boost energy level. Drinking coffee regularly can help counteract depression. Coffee stimulates the central nervous system and increase the production of dopamine, serotonin and noradrenaline, important neurotransmitters that elevate the mood, thus preventing depression. Coffee also contains certain compounds which have been proved to prevent certain type of cancer. There are also many other amazing benefits of drinking coffee. If you are searching for the best brand of coffee, then this video is for you. In this video, I have shared the list of top 5 best coffee brands in India. All these brands of coffee are available online. Please check description for latest price and discount. If you are new to our channel, then please like the video and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share. And don't forget to subscribe.